Did you guess all of those footprints correctly? Were you right? There was a lot of different footprints. So today we're making your footprints. That's right. Mrs. Mann just made hers. Oh my goodness. So I took some paint and I painted the bottom of my foot, one foot. And it really felt quite weird. So when you're painting your foot, or somebody else might want to paint your foot, it might be easier. How does it feel? Oh my goodness. So once I painted it, I stepped on a piece of paper, and that is what my footprint looks like. Oh my goodness. So that's what I want you to do, and I want you to compare your footprint. You can compare it to a friend's. Is it longer? Is it shorter? All of those details. And then I want you to compare it to the animal track detective sheet that you took out. So how is it different from the bird track maybe you found a bird track? I found a bird track. So I'm going to look and I'm going to say, what is the difference between my bird shaped track and my footprint? So the bird's foot and my foot. It's really straight and fork shaped and tiny compared to my big foot. This is a big pad, and here's my toes. And how many toes do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at my big toe. And then I'm going to compare it to Roscoe's. Hey, mine are a lot longer than Roscoe's. And here's the squirrel. Yeah, mine are huge compared to the squirrel's. So compare your footprints to your friend's footprints and to the tracks that you found outside, and what are the similarities and what are the differences? Footprints, yours. Have fun.